Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to take a detailed look at the Honor Pad X9, a tablet that stands out with its impressive design, powerful features, and great performance to price ratio. In this video, we'll cover everything from its design and performance to its gaming capabilities and display. If you're in search of a reliable and feature-rich tablet, this video is just for you. Let's dive into the details. The Honor Pad X9 features a sleek aluminum body with a stylish design. It boasts an 11.5-inch screen with a 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution. This display provides a smooth visual experience with a 120 Hz refresh rate and can be comfortably used even in daylight. Additionally, with 400 nits of brightness, the screen remains clear even outdoors. Thanks to its slim bezels and an 86% screen-to-body ratio, the display feels large and immersive. The performance of the Honor Pad X9 is also impressive. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor and 4 GB of RAM, the tablet delivers smooth performance during everyday tasks. You can easily multitask without any lag or stuttering. The 128 gigabytes of storage offers plenty of space for photos, videos, and documents. And if you need more storage, it's expandable via a micro SD card. When it comes to gaming performance, the Honor Pad X9 doesn't disappoint. While it's not a high-end gaming device, it performs admirably with mid-range games. Popular titles like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile run smoothly at higher graphic settings without any significant issues. The Snapdragon 685 and 4 GB of RAM can handle these games with ease, offering a pleasant gaming experience. However, for more demanding games, you may need to lower the settings, but for casual to mid-level gaming, this tablet delivers solid performance. The sound system is also quite powerful. With 6 speakers and surround sound support, Honor Pad X9 enhances your multimedia experience. The sound quality is crisp and loud, making it an enjoyable device not just for visuals but also for audio. The tablet runs on macOS 7.1, which provides a smooth and efficient user interface. The split screen feature allows you to divide the screen and use 2 apps simultaneously. For instance, you can watch a YouTube video on one side while browsing social media or working on documents on the other. The floating window option lets you place one app in the corner of the screen, allowing you to multitask easily. These features improve productivity and make it easier to get more done at once. Battery life is also quite impressive. The Honor Pad X9 is equipped with a 7250 mAh battery, offering all-day usage without issues. Whether you're watching movies or playing games, it will last through the day. Additionally, with 22.5 watts fast charging, you can recharge the tablet quickly when needed. The cameras are decent for daily photo taking and video calls, with both the front and rear cameras offering 5-megapixel resolution, ensuring clear images. Honor Pad X9 also includes a range of features to protect your eye health. With the Eye Comfort mode and ebook mode, long hours of use are made more comfortable, preventing eye strain. In conclusion, the Honor Pad X9 offers a fantastic balance of design, powerful performance, a large screen, impressive sound system, and decent gaming capabilities. Whether you're using it for work or entertainment, it's a versatile tablet for the price. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed, and affordable tablet, I highly recommend considering the Honor Pad X9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'd love to hear from you.